Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a critical subject, cybersecurity. It's more than a topic for IT professionals. It's a collective responsibility crucial to the ongoing safety and integrity of our organization and each of us individually. Various types of cyber threats are prevalent today. We're not just battling individual hackers. We're up against organized cybercrime syndicates that are sophisticated and relentless. One can mention malware. This category includes viruses, worms, and ransomware. They can cripple our systems and corrupt vital data. Phishing and social engineering. These involve deceptive emails and manipulative tactics aimed at extracting sensitive information. Man in the middle. Here, an unauthorized user intercepts or alters communications between two parties. Denial of service attacks. These aim to overwhelm and disable our networks, rendering them inoperable. The ramifications of falling victim to these threats are severe. They range from financial losses to severe reputational damage. Importantly, the personal consequences can be devastating, impacting job security and possibly leading to legal repercussions. So, how can we protect ourselves and our organization? Physical safeguards. Be mindful of who has physical access to your computer and how you dispose of devices that have stored sensitive information. Mixed defenses. Merge your approaches by keeping software, antivirus programs, and firewalls updated. This integrated defense is crucial for warding off various types of malware. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Use complex, unique passwords and add an extra layer of security through two-factor authentication. Always adhere to our corporate guidelines on cybersecurity to ensure you're aligned with our organizational best practices. If you encounter a suspicious situation, consult our IT department immediately. They're your best resource for resolving security issues. In summary, cybersecurity is not an optional exercise. It's a necessity for both professional and personal security. The key lies in vigilance and adherence to best practices. We all must commit to protect our systems, data, and the integrity of this organization. For a comprehensive ethics and compliance training program, access www.ethics.academy.